I'm like your home DIY person. I'm always working on a project. So, but I was limited on what I could do because I had all my lawn and garden, the four-wheeler, the rod and lawnmower in here. I didn't have anywhere to work or anything. So we wanted to get the building. So we get the building, and then everything that I had in here, I'm just kind of blessed to have a shop like this. But it was just so exciting for me to finally get everything into that building and now the garage, so I could turn it into an actual workshop, so I could do my crafts, projects. I've always got something going on. So it was it's just another reason that we went with quality was, you know, just the way the building was built, and it just made everything so easy once we got it in there, and it freed up all this space. So even though I kind of got all this stuff going with tools and stuff, it allows me to work in here. And then the shop is just right there. The storage building is you just walk across there if I need something. So all that has worked out great. It's just another big point for us. We really, one of the biggest selling points of me buying that building was the garage door. I didn't want wooden doors. Like if you go to some of the other builders, they just have these wooden doors. I actually had one in another home once. Before you know it, the door's sagging down, it won't close, the wood starts rotting. So high quality garage doors on that. It's actually 9 feet wide. I think it's actually even wider than the door on this opening. So it's just another thing that worked for us. It was just allowed us to get storage out there, lawn equipment, and this place to do our stuff. So it's just been another benefit for us, and that's one of the reasons we chose this building.